my God. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes, man.
Elon Musk is buying Twitter. Here we go, baby. Elon Musk has minted the deal. What was it all about? I don't know, man. He was like getting sued by Twitter. He was trying to get out of the deal. He was trying to stay in the deal. How much stock did Elon Musk buy on the open market when he tanked Twitter shares? I don't know. I'm not sure. What was this whole play? What was going on? We'll find out in the coming days, but this deal is done, baby. Elon Musk's proposal to buy the company at $44 billion goes forward. Deal expected to close within weeks after months of legal back and forth. The Elon news, we rejoice in it. There's a lot of doomers out there who are like, oh, Elon Musk's going to ban us all. I don't think so. We rejoice in this news. Here's the breaking news. Go.
Real quick, Elon Musk news out right now. Twitter shares are halted because reportedly, it's a Bloomberg report right now, Elon Musk is offering to buy that company at the full asking price, which is about $54.20 a share.
Wink, wink. There was always a belief by almost everyone on Wall Street that this deal was going to get done. But when the market cratered and the stock fell apart, it was obvious that Elon Musk was trying to get a better deal.
Got it.
It's clear he's not going to get a better deal. Apparently, he's written a letter to the board. The word now is this deal will be done in the next 24 to 72 hours, and Elon Musk will be the owner of Twitter come next week.
So they halt the shares in the stock market of Twitter because of the volatility.
It's all over the place, yeah.
Try to have an
orderly market.
An orderly market.
Yeah.
All right, Dow up 666 points right now. Big OPEC decision tomorrow. Watching gas prices. Charles Payne, thank you very much.
Okay, so here's the information. Twitter has accepted Musk's proposal to buy the company, $44 billion deal, according to the Daily Mail. Spokesperson for the company told the Daily Mail on Tuesday afternoon, we received a letter from Musk parties, and they have filed it with the SEC. The intention of the company is to close the transaction at $54.20 per share. You'll say, ooh, interesting, $54.20 per share. Isn't that exactly what Elon offered many months ago this summer for Twitter? And the answer to you, of course, dear viewer, would be yes, that is exactly the same amount. So what happened in the meantime? Well, a lot of people bought a lot of shares of Twitter. Twitter stock tanked when Elon Musk said he was going to pull out, when he exposed a bunch of garbage about the company. I personally believe that this was probably Elon just trolling them, humiliating them, taking this out into the public square so that he has the right to fire and scrape the bottom of the sewage basement basket that is Twitter of all of these salty Marxists. And we are here for it. Good job, Elon Musk. Way to go. It is a surprising U-turn, says the Daily Mail, from the bombastic billionaire, but was prompted by fear that he'd end up being ordered to buy the company anyway in court. Now, we're not sure how that would happen. There is no precedent to order someone to buy something, but who knows? We live in strange times. Musk has been trying to back out of the Twitter deal, claiming that the company was hiding how many spam accounts were active on the site, and many Twitter users saw their accounts just absolutely collapse yesterday. We saw a loss of some 17,000 users, and we are back up a little bit today, and we encourage you, if you don't already follow us on Twitter, our Twitter game is strong. We're back up a little bit. We'll see what's happening. Crazy stuff. If we lost followers, we think they were probably bots that Twitter is running. The reason that Twitter would run bot accounts is because monetizable active users is how these companies engage and sell themselves to the open market. They say they have this many monetizable active users, so on and so forth. The judge recently rejected Musk's request to delay the proceedings. Musk was not having a great day in court in this lawsuit. Musk's new offer to complete the deal is contingent on Twitter halting its lawsuit to force the transaction. Now the deal is nearing close. Twitter's share price is soaring. Trading was halted on Tuesday as shares jumped 13% and the stock closed at $52, an increase in 22% on the day. Now Musk is expected to own the company within a matter of weeks, if not days. Musk acknowledged that his abrupt reversal in the agreement is in order to create X, the everything app. This is what Elon Musk tweeted yesterday. Buying Twitter is an accelerant to creating X, the everything app, Musk tweeted on Tuesday night, hours after he offered to complete the buyout at the agreed price of $44 million, which I think is actually wrong. $44 billion, right? Okay, yeah, that's a typo from the Daily Mail. What isn't a typo is this incredible breaking footage that this show has obtained exclusively from Elon Musk entering Twitter headquarters for the first time. We are very honored to break this important and historic video for you live on The Benny Show. Keeping winning and staying winning is what we predict for Donald Trump. Donald Trump is going to get back on Twitter. That's what I think. I know Donald Trump's digital team pretty well, and I believe that he's going to get back on Twitter. I believe he's going to take back his Twitter account. He says he's going to stay on Truth Social. I don't buy it. He's going to take Twitter account and he's going to take back his Facebook account because these are very powerful vectors for fundraising, for politics, for getting your voice out there, for getting your message out there. Donald Trump's going to come back onto these accounts. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank. Now, we actually have an artist's rendering from another memer that would demonstrate precisely what it would look like. Donald Trump coming back on Twitter. Whew. Here we go.
Oh my God! Oh, look at that! Holy smokes, man!
Holy smokes, man! That is one of our favorite memers, Domani, on Twitter. You can find him. We've retweeted that video. It is very, very good. Donald Trump will come back to Twitter. Trust me, Donald Trump was one of the highest followed accounts. He had 88 million followers. He ain't going to leave them in the lurch. Donald Trump is going to come back, trust me, to Twitter. And, well, last week, Twitter said that it was going to reinstate Donald Trump's account. What? This from First Squawk News, which I believe is a CNBC site. They said that they will be reinstating Donald Trump's account. Twitter Inc. said to reinstate Donald Trump's Twitter account. Well, that's interesting. All right. Very, very particular about the timing of that information. Exactly 1 week ago. And now we have Elon Musk closing the Twitter deal. So what's happening? Donald Trump's coming back to Twitter, baby. It's going to happen. And the salt is going to flow. I hope you have your rubber dinghies ready. I hope you have your survival kits because the salt and the flood is going to flow through your streets of the libs sobbing when Donald Trump comes back to Twitter. It will never stop. It will never be more salty and it'll never be more flowy and it'll never be more teary outside than when Donald Trump sends his first tweet, your favorite president is back. Ka-ching! And there it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, the libs are already crying. Here's an NBC News fake news reporter, Lib Ben Collins from NBC News, making an argument that says too much. This is a legal term. Got a couple lawyers who work with us on this team, making sure that we are, on the money when we are reporting content. And that some of the antics that we do are protected and that our team is protected. And we are thankful for our legal advice. But a good lawyer will say that legal arguments that prove too much are bad arguments. This is what's happening right here. You're saying too much, buddy. This Ben Collins guy is saying, by the way, for those of you asking, yes, I do think that the site can change and will change pretty dramatically if Musk gets full control over it. There is no immediate replacement. If it gets done early enough, based on what people he's aligned with, yes, it could actually affect the midterms. So there you go. There is a actual verified NBC News reporter saying that the people who run Twitter can actually affect American elections. Are you paying attention yet? Are you paying attention? Conec, a election firm, is storing their data in China. And Tony Bobolinsky is saying that the lack of information and the silencing and censoring of the Hunter Biden story led to Joe Biden's election. Are you connecting the dots? Are you paying attention yet? These reporters are weeping and crying and gnashing and what is sackcloth and ashes? What's the thing in the Old Testament that they wear? Sackcloth. They're screaming in the out. They're rendering their garments because Elon Musk will turn Twitter into a free speech, non-censorship platform, thus demonstrating. And you can see there the last line. What's the guy say? If it gets done early enough, it will affect the midterms. What does that mean? Free speech will allow Republicans and conservatives to actually have a fair playing field, and then Democrats will get further destroyed. Thank you for watching. Our channel is here to meme the libs until they cry and then to meme them crying. Their tears taste like ice cream. We ridicule the establishment, and we do so because of you. Your support keeps us going. So if you liked what you saw, please click the thumbs up. Please punch, subscribe, and ring the bell to let you know when we have a new video. Don't you want us to let you know when we're live? Please check out more of our videos here and sign up for our mailing list in case something happens and the plug gets pulled. We want to be able to keep in touch with you. My name is Benny Johnson, and thank you for watching. Based Patriots, stay free.